Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 3000 amp 12 volt water cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Overall dimensions of this unit, 38 inches long by 38 inches wide by 44 inches high. Very nice working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. Unit is currently set up in manual mode with the controls on the cabinet there. You can hook this up to a PLC as well. Wired for 460 volt, 3-phase, weighs roughly 1,100 pounds. Come back, take a look at the nameplate here. And I'll start it up for you. Take a look at the O-scope wave over here. Very nice, quiet machine. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.